Hello, Mr. Ashikur. What are you doing?
I am doing great, uh, doing good.
So, can you tell us about the black card coin in 30 seconds?
Black Card coin is an amazing coin that was launched earlier this year in March 24th, and it baffles me how Black Heart has grown so massively in a very short while, and not only is it a coin black card, introduce a crypto credit card where you can use to purchase anything anywhere you want. Really, that's amazing.
Wow, so speaking of the crypto credit card, you have an unlimited black card in your pocket. In the card, what would you buy with it? What would you do with it?
I think my goal is to ensure financial freedom, so I would use unlimited black card coin to purchase more coin to invest in humanity. I think I would see I can never exhaust black card because I am so in love with black card coin. So I ensure that I can use the black card coin to make sure that we have a financial to ensure financial freedom for humanity and make life worth living for people.
So, where you find out what's the people out there, what do you have to?
I would encourage you just like you uh, see the current condition of Bitcoin. It started like this. Try and yourself a favor to invest, just like I am doing. I have you proud. Thank you so much. Have a good day, sir. Thank you.